A single sneeze can shatter the sound barrier, launching droplets faster than a sports car on a highway. Imagine the explosive force behind that sudden achoo. Tiny droplets catapulting through the air at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Each sneeze is a miniature storm, unleashing a cascade of particles that can travel over 26 feet, spreading like a high-speed ripple. This miniature sonic boom isn't just a burst of noise, it's a demonstration of the incredible power packed into our everyday bodily functions. Next time you sneeze, think of it as your personal jet engine moment, propelling droplets at velocities that defy the mundane, slicing through the air with the raw energy of a supersonic blast. It's a reminder of the extraordinary forces that lie hidden within us, waiting to be unleashed in the most unexpected ways.